Coral Reefs Quiz, SOC Science Challenge. Welcome back to SOC, where we blend science and research into fun and exciting quizzes. Today's challenge focuses on coral reefs and their fascinating ecosystems, marine life, and environmental threats. Before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more science-based quizzes from SOC. Let's dive in. Let's warm up with some easy questions about coral reefs and their marine life. Question 1. What are coral reefs primarily made of? A. Sand. B. Rock. C. Calcium carbonate skeletons of tiny animals. D. Plant roots. Answer. C. Calcium carbonate skeletons of tiny animals. Coral reefs are built by tiny marine organisms called coral polyps, which secrete calcium carbonate to form reef structures. Question 2. Where are the largest coral reef systems found? A. Arctic Ocean. B. Indian Ocean. C. Atlantic Ocean. D. Pacific Ocean. And D. Pacific Ocean. The Great Barrier Reef in Australia is the world's largest coral reef system, spanning over 2,300 kilometers. Question 3. Which of these animals is not commonly found in coral reefs? A. Clownfish. B. Sea turtle. C. Polar bear. D. Parrotfish. And C. Polar bear. Coral reefs are warm water ecosystems, while polar bears are found in the Arctic. Question 4. What is the primary role of coral reefs in the marine ecosystem? A. Producing oxygen. B. Protecting coastlines from erosion. C. Providing shelter for marine life. D. All of the above. Answer. D. All of the above. Coral reefs support 25% of all marine species, act as natural wave barriers, and produce oxygen through marine algae. Question 5. What type of relationship do coral polyps have with algae? A. Mutualism. Both benefit. B. Parasitism. One benefits, one is harmed. C. Competition. Fighting for survival. D. Predation. One eats the other. Answer. A. Mutualism. Corals get energy from algae, zooxanthellae, and algae get protection inside coral tissue. Question 6. What causes coral reefs to appear in bright colors? A. Ocean currents. B. Sunlight reflection. C. Pigments from symbiotic algae. D. The presence of colorful fish. Answer. C. Pigments from symbiotic algae. The zooxanthellae algae living in coral give reefs their vibrant colors by producing pigments. Now, let's dive deeper into the science behind coral reefs. Question 7. What is coral bleaching? A. When corals turn bright blue. B. When corals lose their algae due to stress. C. When fish eat coral. D. When coral dies due to lack of nutrients. Answer B. When corals lose their algae due to stress. Coral bleaching occurs when ocean temperatures rise, causing corals to expel their symbiotic algae and turn white. Question 8. How do parrotfish help coral reefs? A. By eating predators of corals. B. By consuming dead coral and turning it into sand. C. By protecting corals from human pollution. D. By cleaning corals with their fins. And Answer B. By consuming dead coral and turning it into sand. Parrotfish eat dead coral, and their waste produces up to 85% of the sand found in tropical beaches. Question 9. Which marine species forms a symbiotic relationship with sea anemones? A. Clownfish. B. Octopus. C. Seahorse. D. Jellyfish. Answer A. Clownfish. Clownfish hide inside anemones for protection, while anemones benefit from clownfish keeping them clean. Question 10. What percent of marine life depends on coral reefs? A. 10%. B. 25%. C. 50%. D. 75%. Answer B. 25%. Coral reefs support over 25% of all marine life, even though they cover only 1% of the ocean floor. Question 11. What is the main cause of ocean acidification? A. Oil spills. B. Plastic pollution. C. Excess carbon dioxide, CO2, absorption. D. Underwater volcanoes. And C. Excess carbon dioxide, CO2, absorption. Oceans absorb CO2 from the atmosphere, making the water more acidic, which weakens coral skeletons. Question 12. Which country has the most coral reef area? A. Australia. B. Indonesia. C. Brazil. D. USA. And B. Indonesia. Indonesia has over 17,000 islands and the highest coral reef biodiversity in the world. Time to challenge yourself with some advanced coral reef science. Question 13. What is a coral atoll? A. A deep sea coral. B. A ring-shaped reef surrounding a lagoon. C. A type of coral predator. D. A coral species found only in Antarctica. And B. A ring-shaped reef surrounding a lagoon. Coral atolls form from volcanic islands sinking, leaving a circular reef with a lagoon in the middle. Question 14. What is the primary factor behind coral reef destruction? A. Tourism. B. Overfishing. C. Climate change. D. Coastal development. And C. Climate change. Rising sea temperatures and ocean acidification are the biggest threats to coral survival. Question 15. What percentage of the Great Barrier Reef has been affected by coral bleaching since 2016? A. 10%, B. 25%, C. 50%, D. 75% and answer. D. 75%. Climate change has caused mass bleaching events, affecting up to 75% of the reef. Question 16. What is coral gardening? A. Planting seaweed on reefs. B. Growing and transplanting coral fragments to restore reef. C. Using coral for decoration. D. A type of marine farming and answer. B. Growing and transplanting coral fragments to restore reefs. Coral gardening helps rebuild damaged reefs by planting coral fragments in nurseries. Question 17. What is the biggest deep-sea coral reef discovered? A. Amazon Reef. B. Great Barrier Reef. C. Belize Barrier Reef. D. Hawaii Reef. A. Amazon Reef. Discovered in 2016, the Amazon Reef lies at the mouth of the Amazon River. Question 18. What is mesophotic coral? A. Corals that glow in the dark. B. Corals that live in the deep sea, between 30 to 150 meters. C. Corals that can survive in freshwater. D. Corals that grow on shipwrecks only. And answer. B. Corals that live in the deep sea, between 30 to 150 meters. Mesophotic coral ecosystems, MCEs, exist in low-light environments at depths of 30 to 150 meters, deeper than typical shallow water reefs, but not as deep as deep-sea corals. How did you go? Share your score in the comments below. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting quizzes from SOC Quest. See you next time.